Are 3D printed plastic parts actually strong? Especially when comparing them to injection molded parts, it's totally fair to wonder, can 3D printed plastic really hold up? Hey everyone, welcome back to RapidDirect channel. I'm Carol, and today we're diving into a question we hear all the time from our customers. Are 3D printed plastic parts actually strong? Well, the short answer is, it depends. The strength of a 3D printed part comes down to several factors like the material you use, part design, print orientation, and the printing process itself. And when it comes to materials, different plastics have different mechanical properties. Things like tensile strength, hardness, and impact resistance can vary a lot. So, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through 6 strong 3D printing plastics that are commonly used in real-world projects. First up, Nylon PA 12 carbon field is a top choice for high-strength, lightweight engineering parts. It has an excellent strength-to-weight ratio and is both strong and rigid. If you are looking for a lightweight yet durable material for mechanical components, carbon-filled Nylon PA 12 is a good choice. Next, Polycarbonate PC. It is a high-performance thermoplastic that's super tough with great impact resistance and thermal stability. It is also flame retardant up to around 110 degrees Celsius, and it can print with good transparency, perfect if your parts need light transmission or clear finish. The third is ABS. ABS is a classic entry-level material. It's strong, durable, and impact-resistant, making it great for functional prototypes or even some end-use parts. But be careful. It emits fumes while printing and can be prone to warping. Still, if you are looking for a budget-friendly option, ABS is worth considering. Now we have PETG. It is like the middle ground between PLA and ABS. It is more durable than PLA, easier to print than ABS, and has solid chemical resistance. If you need material that offers medium strength, a clean finish, and is easy to print, PETG could be your go-to. Next up is TPU, a flexible thermoplastic elastomer. It is kind of like rubber, great for parts that need to bend, absorb shock, or handle impact. If you are printing anything that needs flexibility, like gaskets or protective covers, TPU is yours. And finally, there is PEEK, one of the strongest 3D printing plastic out there. It is a high-performance material used in demanding applications. It resists harsh chemicals, high temperatures, up to 250 degrees Celsius, and has great fatigue and stress crack resistance. If your parts need to perform in extreme environments, PEEK is a top option. Of course, material is just one part of the equation. To really know if a 3D printed part will meet your strength requirements, you will need to consider the design and application too. At RapidDirect, our 3D printing experts are here to help you figure out the best material and solution for your project. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content from RapidDirect. Bye!